FirstSurge Surge Protective Devices, SPDs, are Type 2 and UL, COL 1449 listed, meeting designated protection requirements. FirstSurge is constructed using our commercial-grade NEMA 4X enclosure, allowing for indoor or outdoor installations. FirstSurge Pro provides 140,000 amp of surge current capacity per phase. Compatible with any brand of load center and breakers. Enclosure rated for Type 4 outdoor, and can also be installed inside the load center. 10-year product and connected equipment warranty. Top reviews from the United States. We thought it was a good idea to have one since we've been getting many more power fluctuations from our power company. Our electrician recommended this one. My husband is handy and was able to install it in about an hour. We'll assume it's doing what it's supposed to. The green lights are on. The thing about this is, you'll never really know when it does its job well.